Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are jumping into the July BOXYCHARM Premium Box. This is that $40 a month subscription box, and we're going to go into all of the items inside with a full review, demo where appropriate, and try on. Several of these items I am super familiar with, and many of which I have actually used in the past. So this is going to be a super in-depth roundup of all of the items in this month's July Premium BOXYCHARM. So if that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe, because once upon a time I uploaded every other day, and that'll be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to jump into this month's box with me, stay tuned. All right, so as always, the theme is status out of office, which I actually love. July is my birthday month. It is Brandon's birthday month. I'm actually going to be on vacation next week, so out of office is really appropriate. I also love the flamingo-y pink vibes against the blue. I mean, clearly blue and pink is kind of my vibe today anyway. Now, this is variation 213, which means there's going to be a ton of variations this month. I know people love variations because it means you're going to get more personalized items. I've said this in the past and I'll say it again. I prefer when BOXYCHARM used to be less high on the amount of variations because I felt like we all kind of got the same kind of box. And it was a little more curated, a little bit more of a collective experience. Though I think this is great because it means more people are going to get more things they like. Before we jump into the items in the box, I do want to say, as always, this is not sponsored. However, this is sent to me in PR for reviewing purposes. So while all of the opinions are honest and my own, I do want you to know they do send me this box for free, but in no way is my opinion purchased, paid for, anything. So let's jump into the first item. From Lunar Beauty, this is the Nude Prism Eyeshadow Palette, retailing for $48. A soft and romantic 18 well eyeshadow palette of neutrals and soft pinks, 6 shimmers, and 12 mattes. Now, I have several of the Lunar Beauty palettes, but I don't have this one. But this is possibly the most beautiful nude palette I have seen. First off, I love when a palette has a black in it because being able to darken things up is amazing. I love the Lunar Beauty formula, one of my favorite palettes of all time. And I'll talk about Lunar Beauty without pulling out my favorite. This is the Moonspell palette from a few years ago. The formula in the Lunar Beauty palettes is amazing. I love the color stories. And as someone who has most of the bold and colorful Lunar Beauty palettes, it is really nice to get my hands on a nude one. Now, I'm not going to be demoing it today. I'm going to be doing a separate video using all of the makeup from all of my subscription boxes this month in a future video. But I have used this formula before, and it is so absolutely stunning. I feel like this could be everybody's everyday essentials palette, and I love that. Next is a product that I like, but I did downsize in my most recent declutter. This is the L'Oreal Glass Primer for Flawless Glow. Creating a protective barrier on the skin that helps to lock in moisture, goodbye flakes and rough patches, calm redness and inflammation, and provide a smooth canvas for long-lasting makeup, retailing for $39. Now, I did really like this. I did a video in partnership with L'Oreal, and it was a great product until the LYS Secure Skin Gripping Serum Primer with AHA and niacinamide. I like this one so much more, and I did love this one, and I love the glow it gave me. This one was just a little bit more nourishing with some better skincare ingredients, and I liked it a little bit more. This also came out of a BOXYCHARM. So it's one of those things where I would be happy with either, but since I have one that I know I like more, I'm going to stick to the one that's open and drop this one in an upcoming giveaway. Next, from the brand Stone Street, this is the Stone Street Soap House Geronimo Wholesome Body Cream, retailing for $32. With a heart of geranium flower oil, Geronimo is a little floral, a little herbal, and so very Moorish. Natural oils including jojoba, almond, and argan oil nourish the skin without making it greasy. Feel free from colors and parabens, cruelty-free, made in England with 100% responsibly sourced natural oils. Now, I'm not a huge fan of body butters. I typically open them, use them 2 or 3 times, and then end up expiring before I even get a chance to finish them. Just not really a huge fan or a product I tend to use, so I am going to be passing on that. Plus, I am still currently using the Caudalie Vino Sculpt Hydrating Body Butter, and I really like that one, so rather than have 2 expire on me, I'm going to try and finish the Caudalie before it expires. Next is another product I have used. This is the Avant Skincare Blue Volcanic Stone Purifying and Antioxidant Cleansing Gel. A mild, non-drying gel that aims to effortlessly eliminate excess oils, dirt, and makeup without leaving the skin feeling overexposed, with a cocktail of antibacterial and anti-inflammatory and antioxidant extracts. It will help prevent breakouts and soothe irritation, the perfect first step to your skincare regime. This retails for $110. Now, Avant is one of those products where, or one of those lines where all of the products are very pricey. They have some great ingredients, and all of the ones I've used, I've been a pretty big fan of. This is one that I got a small trial size with a bunch of products when Avant sent me some PR. And they sent like a couple full sizes and a couple smaller. And this was one of the travel size ones they gave me. I took it on a vacation, I want to say a year ago, and I really did enjoy it. This is something that will end up back in my rotation, especially as we near, I mean, it's summertime. This is when I need more of those clarifying, oil reducing, hydrating cleansers. Whereas in the winter, I really want moisture, nourishing, more cleansing oils, because this I do find to be a tiny bit stripping for the winter time, especially in Colorado where things tend to be a little bit drier. Next, from the brand Outre, this is the Best Buds Shampoo and Conditioner Duo, retailing for $66. Healthy hair begins with a healthy scalp. This daily duo repairs and hydrates stressed out strands with a natural ingredient like jojoba, baobab, and avocado, while the anti-inflammatory benefits of CBD nourish and soothe your scalp. It is great for all hair types too. It will tame frizz and protect your hair color and add lustrous shine. Now, you know I'm very particular about what I put in my hair, and recently I've been using a lot of the Olaplex line since I did recently lighten my hair, and I do want to make sure I'm not dealing with any breakage. However, for my daily shampoo and conditioner, I will end up trying this after I finish what I currently have open, but I am currently playing around with the Ordinary Hair Care. This is the Sulfate 4% Cleanser for body and hair, and the Bethylmonium Chloride Conditioner. I really like these. They were sent to me, and I'm going to be honest, I didn't have the highest hope for them. I've used a lot of Ordinary products in the past, and I do find as a whole, they leave a little something to be desired. Either I need to pair it with another product in order to get the most out of it, or I just find it to be lackluster compared to other things in my routine. And I've really been liking these, enough to where I think I would potentially repurchase them, especially since the Ordinary is a little bit more of an affordable price point. That being said, that does not mean I am not excited to try this one, which for $66 is a much higher investment than the Ordinary. However, definitely excited to give it a try, but I will be finishing these first before I jump into something new. And the last item is one that I've gotten at this point so many times that it's just a waste at this point. This is the Ico Black Magic Coco Edit Liquid Eyeliner. This is the perfect brown liquid eyeliner for anyone who wants to add a subtle definition to their eyes. This warm brown eyeliner glides onto the lids to create a perfect cat eye. The Black Magic Coco Edit Liquid Liner has a precision brush tip inspired by traditional Japanese calligraphy for the ultimate control. Now, number one, I don't use liquid liners. Number two, I have very hooded eyes, and liquid liners don't look that great on me, and I can get the same effect just by throwing a lash on. And between the Look Fantastic Beauty box, the Glossy box, and Ipsy, I think I've gotten probably 10 of these over the years. Not a product I'm going to use, definitely going into a giveaway for me. Now, all in, this box costs $40 to have it sent to your house every single month. Now, the one thing I do like to look at when I think about, is this box worth the value, is would I be better off taking $40 and going to Ulta, Sephora, Walmart, Amazon, Target, wherever you buy your beauty product, and buying something I like, or getting this? And this box had a retail value of $317. The palette alone and the cleanser, which are the two items I'm probably most excited about, more than pay for the value of the box. So in this instance, I will say this box is absolutely worth the cost. Now, when I look at the products for me that were the flops, there's really only two, and it is the body butter and the eyeliner. And then we have those two products in the middle, the primer, which good, but not my favorite, and the shampoo, which I haven't tried yet. So as far as items across the gamut of, is it a good beauty box? I think this is a good one. I do like to use these subscription boxes to find products I might not try otherwise. And the only product in here that I would probably like, if I was walking through a store and I saw it, the palette. I would probably end up purchasing a palette like this. Do I already have palettes like this? Absolutely. Is this a palette I would use every day? Also absolutely. So for me, that is probably the only one that on instinct I would have been like, yes, I need this, I want this. The rest of it, I probably would not have picked up on my own, so I'm really excited that this box gives me the opportunity to try things I wouldn't have normally tried on my own. Anyway, as always, I would love to hear your thoughts on everything we talked about today. Leave them down below, and please stay tuned because I will be doing a full, the only makeup product in this box that I'll be trying is the palette, So I'm going to be using some makeup products from my base box as well as some Ipsies this month in order to create a full subscription box makeup look, and make sure you stay tuned for that because I am really excited to see what sort of neutral beauty look I can get out of this palette. Thank you again, and I will see you all next time. Bye.